bed. Listen, I just rolled out of bed. What did we say? We had that little itty bitty feeling in the pit of our stomach. I even withdrew. Remember when I said there was a line that was crossed? I'm going to tell you, the line that was crossed was a line in the piggy bank. All it needed was 50,000. I'm like, let me take like 100. It was like 120, 130, something like that. Took 130,000, took it off and longed this shit. Went to bed. Now we arise, arise. And now here we are. Isn't it crazy how the Lord works in mysterious ways? They say. I took a peep at my phone with my crooked eye. My left eye is still crooked. My left eye still protrudes my face like this and leans to the left like this. This is my left eye, and it still looks like this. And I saw with my little crooked eye that I have revenge. This day, revenge is a dish served warm. And today, on this very stream, we are going to uphold my promise, our promise to you. Because I have a package for you. Is either going to be a package of $10,000 in crypto or $5,000 in crypto to two separate assholes. Bird of a feather, we flock together. Oh, no, asshole birds. We're a bunch of butthole birdies and we flock together, you perverts. Go ahead and party it up. We're going to give away $10,000 on this stream. I don't know how long we're going to be doing this. Like I said, I just rolled out of bed. I got the coffee going. I'm all work. But we went to bed in shame, in disdain, that we let our people down, let our family down. I let you down. We had a goal. These stupid goals. They never work in trading. Don't set goals. Don't set money goals. Just take what the market gives you. Because when you set a goal, it's not, you go off of I'm taking what the market gives me. Money goals are the worst thing you can do in trading. Don't do them. But you know what's the opposite of a goal? A poll. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to put it to a poll. We were 170,000 short of our $500,000 goal to give away 10 grand. Boom, we hit the long button. Boom, we go to sleep. Boom, we wake up and boom, we're at $500,000 and some asshole's about to be $10,000 richer or two arseholes about to be $10,000 richer. So let's put it to poll. The question: one arse for 10 or 2 for 5? Let's see, 2 for 5. How did I know that's what you guys would choose? I haven't even looked at the chart yet. My left eye looks like this. When I blink, it flaps the eyelid over it and puts a little splooge on it. I'm not kidding. When I just say I just rolled out of bed, is this thing coming back or is it going to continue? It's not done yet, is it? It might be done. Oh, yeah, it might be done. Should we just lock it in? Hang on. Stop playing with me. We might need to lock this in. Oh, yeah, look at that 5 minute. Oh, yeah, look at that 5 minute. 20 minute. This is bait. We should lock this in while we still have, because we did 323 on the last trade. And with the fees, I say we lock it in. Let's lock it in. Stop playing with me. Oh, shit. Oh, geez. Okay. All right. Okay, hang on. Let's lock it in. Let's make it official. Oh, geez. Well, let's make it official here. Let's make it official here. Is 191,843. What? They have the same 843. Are you kidding me? What? Hold on here. Are you telling me that they have the same last three numbers? 843? Do you know what the chances of that are? What we're going to do is we're going to do it on Twitter. Boy, what a day. It's been a while since I've had a $500,000 trade day. That's pretty good. That's pretty good, you know. I don't remember when the last, I mean, we've been chopped. God, it's been just amazing. It's been amazing. This has been amazing. I've just been slicing this shit. My God. My God. Where are the pencil necks now? Where's the Twitter police? Where's the people talking shit now saying they're counter trading me? Where's my counter traders? You know what I'm saying? Where's the smaller channels than me that all they do is try to kick me when I'm down. They try to kick me when I'm down to gain clout for themselves and poke the bear. You poked the bear. Let's see here. So I'm going to do a Twitter post. I'll post the link. I will run it by my little Twitter bot that will auto disqualify anyone that does it more than one time. The first winner of $5,000, when I select thee, I will message you and tell you what to do next. Okay. Oh, man. Ooh, buddy, this is going to be good. 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 Man, we're just firing this one off. All right. Who's ready? The winner is Paul, digitally awake. Paul, digitally awake. Let me find your ass and find your ass fast. Okay, so, now it'll show us here. Okay. View. I think this thing's broken. Let's see if he actually did digitally. Oh, my God, he did it. Okay, he did it. Okay. Oh, my God. Holy shit. Oh, my God. All right, Paul, congratulations. First winner, Paul. Ooh, that was a close one, man. Paul almost totally got it. This time, let's... what should the question be? What should the question be? Let me think here. Let me think. How we want to do the second one? Okay, we'll just do another, like, Jason Statham type thing. Okay. For the next $5,000... I just made a post on Twitter. That post asked a question. The question's, what's our favorite cookie? Our favorite cookie is an Oreo cookie. It's the same shitter website. Yeah, maybe we should use the same shitter website. I kind of like the shitter website. But I don't know if it's cached. All right, let's see here. Free shitter Twitter giveaway shitter picker. Oh, man, here we go. Oh my God, hang on. Oh no, the people are gonna think it's a scam because I moved it over real quick. Oh no, oh my God. I just wanted to see the chart. Delamonte, this guy deserves it. This guy deserves. Okay, hang on. Okay, hang on. View profile. Hang on here. Okay, replies. Did he follow the steps? He did. He did. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. This isn't rigged. Nah, this guy deserves it. This guy deserves it. We're doing the Peter Schiff thing. Damn it, we've made $500,000 today. We've been doing this. Listen. We've been doing this for almost a decade. Peter, we've interviewed other, people on this channel before. It's not often that we interview someone. But when we do, it's a good time. I'll make sure I'm prepared. I make sure I have subjects. I want to talk gold. I want to talk crypto. I want to shit talk about Michael Saylor and his steel factories. So please, Peter, please. It would be our honor to have you on for 30 minutes just to have a good time and pick your brain about price action across different sectors. That's all. That's all. We're not a media company. I don't open my mouth on thumbnails. We are raw and natural. All the money I trade with is real. and mine. And it would just be a big honor. Been a big fan the whole time. I don't know. Maybe we have to talk shit about him in order to get him on here. You know, that's kind of how I am. You know, it's sometimes you have to make a stink in order to get the attention. But I don't like going. I don't like going about my business that way. I like to be honest and truthful, and the honest and truth is, Peter, please, Peter. Me and Gareth are gonna do another interview here soon, and so yeah, great stuff, man. It's been a great few weeks. It's been a great year. We knew this year was going to be the most dangerous year, most liquidations ever in crypto. It's not the strong who survive. It's those who are willing to adapt to change. We like to have a good time. We have a good time because we can. And you know, in this pursuit of freedom. Alrighty, folks. Let's finish this off. I'm going to give everyone one final chance. One final chance. Let's see here. One final chance. I hope y'all said something nice and supportive. And one of you is going to win a final 25. How's our little short entry doing here? Good. Yeah, man, it would. I think we would have an interview with Peter Schiff of like no interview he's ever had before. We'd really bring out the jolly, tasteful, quick-witted, and knowledgeable Peter Schiff that we know and love, and we know is deep inside of there that and is not deep inside of there. It's there and shallow and outward. Man, we like Peter Schiff here. We like Peter Schiff. But you know, I know that sometimes you have to talk shit to be heard. Hopefully he hears us and will enlighten us. Come on, talk trading, talk commodities, talk different sectors, talk some shit about Michael Saylor, and have a good 30-minute block of some real trader shit. And that's what we're about. We're about real trading shit. We're raw. We don't really edit videos. I don't edit videos. I don't open my mouth on YouTube. We're just a couple of dirty, rotten traders. That's all it comes down to it. Here's the link. Say something nice, and one he's going to win $2,500. How's our little short entry doing so far? So good. This is just a little one, man. I feel like it's just the market is just giving us too much. I'm infatuated with these trades. It's like we have just been winning so damn much. This shit's crazy. Man, you guys get me so excited. When I get this way, I just want to give a bunch of money away. And you guys are getting me riled up. Not gonna lie, you guys are getting me riled up. We've already given away 10,000. Well, not yet. I told them I'd send them the money after the stream. Paul and Delamonte, thank you for your patience. You will both receive $5,000 after the stream. It'll probably be there in like 30 minutes. All right. Here we go. Are we ready? The next winner. Here we go. Now, it doesn't guarantee. It doesn't guarantee if this picks you. We still got to see what you say. We got to see if you follow the thing. Goat Jun. I mean, he did reply. And he's winning me over with his picture. This guy's, he maybe didn't write the best message, but we'll give it to him. Alrighty, folks. Congratulations. Thank you all. What an amazing, it's just been an amazing 2 weeks. However long it's been. Great couple of trades. And what do we see here? I entered another small little short here. Damn, this thing is kind of going my way. Damn, maybe I should high power this. I'm a little gun shy just because how much is the market going to give us? My Lord. But this falls right into what we're saying. We are in a downward trend. It spends more time in the red. When it comes up for air, it's coming down. I mean, this is it. You know what I'm saying? It could be a little. It could be a lot. This is it. There she goes. There you go. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you so much for being here in all these streams. We've been doing it. We've been doing it. Also, don't forget, we're doing 50% off for the next 7 days on Market Cypher with code Jason Stratham. That's one word spelled exactly this way. Jason Stratham. 50% off for the next 7 days with Market Cypher. Go to marketcyphertraining.com, linked in the description. Jason Stratham.